opened it?
I don't know. Oh, so I didn't do that.
I'm not doing this.
Oh, man. I'm out of here.
No! We gotta go for our sport.
Hey, how did that get there? Well, that wasn't there an hour ago. Let's go inside. The heck?
Stop!
I didn't do it.
Get my frog back. I'm looking for my frog, guys.
Yeah. So where do you think the froggy went?
Oh, he's not at his daddy's or mom's. See it, guys? No, not there.
He's not up there.
No, go over here.
You wanted to show everybody your fort. Look how big it is.
Yeah, but I want my frog back because it was, something.
I don't know where it is, but we can check in here. Look. Okay. Let's get in the fort.
Give me it.
Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. It goes all the way back here. And you can hide all the way back here.
That sounds like my frog up here.
He's up there?
Yep.
Where'd he go?
No, all the way up there. You gotta duck out up there.
Well, we don't want to ruin your fort, so we have to, just look for him. You see him? I don't see him.
Frog, I'm looking for you. You had me for a long time.
Ready?
That's one. Here's the phone.
You like that, buddy? Good job. There you go. Build it. There we go. We got to get longer branches, though. There you go, buddy. The fort is really, really looking good. Oh, my God. Okay. There is something back here. I just saw it move. Listen. Shh. Do you hear it? It's over here. Come on. Stop. Get down. Do you hear it?
That means that's a bird.
There's something back here for sure. 100%. It might be a deer. Wait.
It comes from right there, up in those trees.
Yeah, there's something there. I heard it. Let's go. Look, quietly. Don't make a lot of noise. What is it? Whoa. It's like the Blair Witch back here.
Whoa, it's not good. It's the old one from the new one.
Did you hear that? Holy crap.
What was that?
I don't know.
But
Look over there. What is that over there? I don't know. I thought I saw something move. There was something back here. Listen very quietly. See if you hear anything.
what was that? Is that you? Is that you, Froggy?
What? No, I guess not.
What is that up there?
Honestly, I don't know, but
I knew it's something. I knew it. I heard it's something. It was a frog or a bunny rabbit or maybe a bird. Maybe a bird's coming right there.
Maybe.
Because the sun was up and it went down in the grass and it got out of my truck and be quiet and got it.
we're really far from the house now. We're venturing off a lot. Like, look, the house is way over there and we're in the woods.
Yep, I knew it. I heard something all the way over there.
Okay, let's go check.
Maybe it was a bunny or maybe it was a bunny and a bird.
Okay.
Just look over there. It comes from all the way over here. I knew I heard come from over here.
Look at this wood. Look at this. I'm walking on this tree. Come with me. But don't fall. Oh, man.
I knew it.
Did you see that? Look at the bug. Oh, no, he's gone. Come over here and look at this.
I can't.
Look at the hole in that tree. Yikes. This one fell right off. And that one broke too. These are really old woods. I wonder what that is. Someone tried to cut that with a chainsaw to cut that down and it broke. Let's go take a look at that. That's crazy.
Yeah, so maybe someone's. Hey, Daddy.
That's freaky. That is really freaky.
Daddy.
Yeah, what's up?
Daddy. Maybe something was in my yard.
There was something here, and this tree really does look like someone chopped it. And those axe marks are definitely like, you can tell by the way the wood looks. I'm willing to bet this was done like 10 or 20 years ago.
Daddy,
What?
what is that flashing over there?
Oh, ow, I just got stabbed by a branch. Oh, man. Okay, let's keep going.
It's coming from all the way over here.
Look at the house. It's gone. We're like so far from the house now, bud.
Hey, it comes from over here. What in the heck? Someone chopped the tree.
They did. That tree is chopped down for sure. Look at the moon. Wow.
Come over here. Come over here.
Okay.
Come over here.
What are we doing over here?
Oh my God! Someone broke her fence. Oh my God! What the heck was that?
You see the fence that's broke over there? What was that?
No!
Hey, we're gonna come this way. You want to go all the way to the other side and see what's over there or no? We could go look.
Yeah, come on.
I don't know what's over there, but we haven't been that far.
Someone broke our fence.
Okay.
Someone broke my fence.
Oh yeah, the fence is messed up. See, there's the tree that fell down right here.
Someone just got a chainsaw and cut it down. And someone took this tree down.
It almost looks like someone arranged this for firewood. That's creepy.
Hey, what in the world? Someone just got a chainsaw and cut my tree.
I know that tree is freaky.
Something is creepy in the woods.
I know, it does look like it.
Spider web. Watch out for that spider web.
Okay, let's keep going. We got to go all the way over there. Okay, we're gonna take our time. Be really quiet.
Quick. You heard something?
I did.
It's come from over there.
Okay, keep going.
What the?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Maybe this is so creepy. I know you. I thought it was coming from up there.
Let's go get the bigger light so that everybody can see what we see.
We was walking in here and something is fell from the tree. And this is so creepy in the woods. There's something in this woods.
Oh, there is. Okay, let's hurry up and run. Let's go.
Hey. There's something in that woods. It's so creepy because I knew there's something. Because I knew something in the tree is.
What's that? What did you find? What is that?
You.
Those are... I don't know, buddy. That's weird. Don't touch that. That's a reptile egg of some sort.
Hey! I saw a bug in here and saw a bug on this eating it.
Okay.
That might be bug food.
You could be right. Good possibility, I mean, that those are reptilian eggs of some sort.
You heard that? So, we was right here and we got this bug food and I don't know what it is. Maybe it's eggs. And we was right here and I heard something. Wait, we was right here and I heard something. When I was right here, I heard something quick. Something was over here. Because I heard something quick over there.
Okay, let's go. All right.
Something quick over here. Hey, Dad, we was right over there. We was right there looking at the bug food. I don't know what it is. It's eggs. We was right over there and I heard something quick from over here. Something quick from that way. I'm very scared.
Whoa, look.
Guys! That's really awesome. Because it's so creepy that way. If we go over there with you, it's so creepy. It's creepy. And I'm not. Wait,
Holy crap, did you hear that?
let's go back to the house.
Whoa, come on, let's go further. Let's go that way.
No, if we go that way, I'm gonna be scared.
What was that? Put the light up there. Yeah, you see those trees? Look over there. Whoa.
I knew it.
Look over there look at the branches over there. Over there. What the heck?
Wait, something, the branch was up the tree, and the branches break off and went down here, and it touched the leaves, and like that. It went like this. It went like this. Like that. Stop.
What the heck was that? Listen.
Little tiny tree right here. Oh, someone chopped this down.
Let's go back to your fort.
There, we gotta run and go all the way. And we gotta run all the way our fort, and then hide in the fort if there's something over here.
Okay. Oh shoot. I almost fell. Oh. I'm okay. We're really far in the woods now. There's that log that we jumped over. Come on, keep going.
Wait, no, Daddy.
What's over there?
That looks like a guy right there. And it's like going in our house. That's me. Go way farther. Hello?
What was that?
I knew there's something. Ding.
Okay.
Oh my God. Run.
Okay, we're going as fast as we can. Keep going. The fort's really far back here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
There's something in that big one.
Okay.
I'm not going over there.
We're almost at the fort. Okay.
Why are you here?
Okay. Okay, we're back at the fort. Okay. Whew. Whoa.
There's something right there. Right in that house.
Where are we going?
Hey, Daddy.
Oh, look at this. Look at this branch. Let me get this branch. I got it.
All right, come on.
There, I broke it in half. There we go.
All right, come on.
Axe 1, branch 0.
Who opened that door?
Oh, I didn't open the garage. Did you? Oh, no.
No, Dad.
What? Shouldn't I go close it?
No.
Behind you.
No.
Look behind you. What?
Over here.
Okay, I'm coming. What? What is it?
Wait. Who opened it?
I don't know.
Maybe it was a werewolf?
I don't know. Did you hear that? Let's close this. We gotta close this. Oh, someone did this.
I don't know who did that.
So I didn't do that. Because I was with you in the woods the entire time.
I'm not doing this.
Oh, man. Who did that? I'm out of here.
No, no, no!
Are you coming? Are you coming?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We're gonna run from this forest. We're gonna run for our forest.
Hey, how did that get there? Well, that wasn't there an hour ago.
We're going over there.
Wait a minute. Be careful. Let's go inside. Okay. What the heck?
Stop!
I didn't do it. What did you find over there?
Look. Stop!
Is there footprints?
I will see you next time. Bye-bye. I will see you next time.
Okay. Peace out, guys.